हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज इस वीडियो में मैं करने वाली हूँ आपके सामने 5 मिनट मेकअप चैलेंज। और ये मेकअप चैलेंज मैं कंप्लीट कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं ये आपको वीडियो के लास्ट में पता चलेगा। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो सबसे पहले मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ मॉइस्चराइजर से। सो मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ निविया का मॉइस्चराइजर विथ SPF 30। And after that I'm gonna apply this foundation which is Pond's BB cream. So I'm gonna take 2 pump and gonna apply it on my face. This is easily blendable BB cream and it covers your blemishes and marks also. So I'm using this today. So I hope it is blended well. Next, okay, before going next, never forget your neck. After that I'm gonna apply concealer to highlight certain features of my face. Okay, then I'm gonna blend it properly. This process, step is very important for those who have flat face like me. Okay, so next step, I'm gonna apply contour stick to give some dimension to my face. Okay, I'm gonna blend it very well so that it won't look patchy on my face. Okay, the main thumb rule to apply a perfect makeup is blend, blend and blend. If you're not blending it, then your makeup will look patchy and artificial. Next I'm gonna apply eyeshadow as my eyebrow powder. I'm gonna apply it by seeing in the mirror. I'm using here black eyeshadow from Lakme palette, the nude palette, and making my eyebrows a little bit thicker. And now next eyebrow. Oh my god, 2 seconds, 2 minutes over. Okay, so next I'm gonna use Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna use a little bit of brown shadow to give some kind of smoky look to my eye. Blend, blend, blend. The main formula of your makeup. Okay, the same spoolie I'm going to take and draw a little bit of black kajal kind of effect here. Okay, kajal is done. Next I'm gonna apply rose finishing powder, Maybelline. This is a must step for those who are having oily skin like me. Just apply on the part where you have excessive oil or there is a chances to get oily. Next I'm going to take this lip liner. Oh my god, 1 minute only left. Okay, so I'm gonna take NYX lipstick shade Monte Carlo or Monte Carlo, whatever. Very nice shade. Okay, then my blusher, I take Morphe blush palette and use this shadow called IT Girl. Oh my god. And then finally on my cheeks, the highlighter 10 seconds left. Here my makeup is done. So I hope I have done my makeup within 5 minutes. And if you want to set here more like curly, then you can iron your hair, or else you can keep it like this, like me, or else you can comb your hair. Then, so as you can see, the makeup which I have put is perfect when you are in rush. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.